helpful during the installation of door closers for enhanced noise reduction and insulation, ensuring a quieter and more comfortable driving experience inside the car cabin. This is the correct decision, as the door lining is fully dismantled. Therefore, to avoid disassembling the car twice for sound insulation, we will proceed immediately. And as you can see, there is even a standard sound insulation here, and it is quite good. But, again, we have already said many times in our videos that it is firm, but it still does not help. Look, yes, it somehow densifies the metal, it becomes thicker, but this material has no soundproofing properties. And if we look inside, there is practically none. Therefore, we will apply 3 layers of different materials from the SGM premium line here. This is an improvement in the acoustic comfort of the car doors, as the factory car audio system will provide a much better sound experience. You will hear it differently. We place the initial layer inside the door, our preferred SGM double foil, 4mm material. Thickness consists of 2 different materials and 2 different lightened mastics. Therefore, this material is quite lightweight, and therefore we eliminate the risk of sagging doors. He increases the thickness of the metal for us, as if he is creating a frame for a door. That is, the metal becomes more dense and thicker.
Accordingly, this is a vibration isolating material. Next, we add the second layer.
And the second layer is already here.
SGM Barrier Light is lightweight, designed for doors. Light meaning the material is specifically for doors, as we've mentioned before.
The layer we have is noise insulation. In winter, the car will retain heat in the cabin longer. In summer, the AC will have to work less and the car's shelves will last longer. Imagine attaching SGM violon weld to door lining, the so-called pyramids. They were called pyramids for a reason, not just randomly. They possess a pyramid-like structure, not Egyptian, but ordinary. This material eliminates echo in sound recording studios, but in our case, it works as high-frequency noise removal. Hence, this premium line material is specifically used for door cladding. He has proven himself excellently and presents himself remarkably.